Ngithanda ukusho especially ku transport ukuthi ngicela i-safety yabantwana bethu ithi uqina.
Simemelela kwisebe lezothutho ukuba liqinisekise ukhuseleko labantwana bazo intsapho eziswelekelwe ngabantwana kwingozi emasikizi phakathi kwebhasi nololiwe eMpumalanga kwiveki ephelileyo. Kuphinde kwabhaqwa enye inkampu engekho semthethweni yoqeqesho lamajoni eModimolle eLimpopo. Sinamkele kwindaba zethu ngokuhlwanje andaba ndodwa ndaba nophumza sikhumba noyitoliki yolumi lwezandla Botani Mzontsundu. Babekwe kwikhaya lokugqibela abafundi abathandathu besikolo iMoreleng Combined School ngaphandle kwaseMiddelburg eMpumalanga. Abafundi basweleka ngolwesithathu eveki ephelileyo ngethuba ibhasi yabo intlithana nololiwe xa babevela esikolweni. Ukanti iintsapho zamaxhoba zimemelela kwisebe lezothutho ukuba liqinisekise ukhuseleko labantwana babo basemagunyeni kweli phondo bathembisa ngokwenza konke okusemandleni ukukhusela abafundi kulandela le ngozi emasikizi ngokuqinisekisa ukuba ziyakhutshwa zonke iimoto lungelanga ukuba sendleleni.
Inkonzo yekugcina yekuvalelisa bafundi labasithupha baseMoreleng Combine labashona ngesikhathi kushayisana sitimela kanye nebhasi lelayisha abantu besikolo eMpumalanga. Labo labasondelene nalabantwana babachaze njengebantwana labe bahlonipha kakhulu banemaphupho ngelikusasa labo. Kanti-ke bakholelwa ukuthi kushona kwabo bekungavikeleka.
Ngithanda ukusho especially ku transport ukuthi ngicela i-safety yabantwana bethu ithi uqina because these days uma uthi ubheke i-TV kuhamba ingane ezincane ngama transport. SGP asasho caphela nabo driver benu please because ibona bayasinda ezingozini kodwa abantwana bethu baluza imphefumulo yabo.
Kuthi made kube manje ayikadiwa imbangela yalengoti. Mvunankulu wesifundza saseMpumalanga Mandla Ndlovu uqinisekise imindeni ukuthi bataluphenya loludzaba baphindze baqinise tekuphepha etikolweni.
As government, we are going to enhance safety measures for scholar transport. We are inviting our communities and our learners to alert government of any suspicious, irregular behavior. We should conduct regular inspection to ensure that scholar transport vehicles are roadworthy. We will not hesitate to scrap any scholar transport vehicle that is not roadworthy.
Litiko letemfundvo lesisekelo nalo lifaka sandla kusekela lemindeni.
Siyathi-ke ukuthi labantwana bethu MEC basadinga i-counseling. Ngoba naniva nje ukuthi bangani benu inamba lengaka bahambile balimele ngokwengqondo. Kodwa sicela kubambisana nemakhosi, kubambisana nabafundisi, kubambisana nebatali, nemimango yonke asibambisaneni ekukhuliseni umntwana. Singakhombani eminweni. Ngiyathemba nokuthi report satawuphuma sitawati kahle ukuthi kwendekeni.
Bayimfica ke bafundzi labe bayingcenye yalengoti labasathola kululama etibhedlela. Kanti-ke lababili babo basesimeni lesebucayi. Etindzabeni tethu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa yiNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela eMafube ngaphandle kweMiddelburg eMpumalanga.
Amapolisa asungule uphando emva kokuqoqa inkampu yomkhosi eqoqelwa ngokungabikho semthethweni eModimolle eLimpopo kubanjwe imipu nembumbulu kodwa kabanjwa mntu okwangoku mayelana noku.
IHawks ziqoqe eliziko kwifama emva kokuhletyelwa malunga nemisebenzi engekho mthethweni eyenzeka apha. Ibutho loKheche lithimbe imbumbulu nemipu eliqela. Amapolisa aphanda ukuba imipu nembumbulu ekukholeleka ukuba ibisiya eKZN iphelele njani kwinkampu yoqeqesho eseLimpopo.
We confiscated several firearms and ammunition, being rifles and pistol, and then currently we are still busy with the investigation since those firearms were landed in that farm, whereas they didn't follow the correct procedure. The firearms were supposed to be in a certain province, but they are here in Limpopo province.
Umurwa utheweleka ngelithi le ndawo yindawo yokuqeqesha abo bafuna ukungena kwicandelo lokhuselo, hayi indawo yokuqeqesha umkhosi.
I can say this one is not a military training camp. It does not mesh or it does not have any element or certified element to be a military training camp.
Umhlalutyi wezokhuseleko zimeleyo uCobus Marais umemelele amapolisa ukuba akhawulezise uphando lwawo malunga neliziko eLimpopo. uMarais uthi ubukho bendawo ezikumila kunje kubeka uMzantsi Afrika ichaphaza.
We must remember that there's been many rumors of us facilitating not only money laundering, but also assistance to ISIS and ISIS cells in Mozambique and elsewhere. And that was one of the reasons why we were put on the grey list. So government, and especially the police, our crime intelligence, state security, all have got an enormous responsibility to make sure that all these illegal sites are being identified, are closed down, people are being prosecuted for that if it is illegal.
Kwinyanga ephelileyo kwafunyanwa inkampu yomkhosi ekumila kunje nengekho mthethweni eWhite River eMpumalanga. Uphando lwenziwe ligunya abantu elilawula icandelo labucala lonogada kweli isira ngamafutshane luveze ukuba eliziko lisebenza ngokungekho semthethweni kwaye kwabanjwa abemi baseLibya abangama-95 kulo.
Abasetyhini ngo-1956 abazange bakobuphondo kwidabi lokulwela ukupheliswa kwamapasi naye uMama uThembeka Majova waseFlagstaff oxelenga kwisibhedlele saseMthatha eMpuma Koloni njengomongikazi kwicandelo elijongene nomhlaza uthi uyawunqandwa kukungena engcwabeni kuphela ukuye kukunceda abantu abaphila nomhlaza. kaMajova uchazwe ngumphathi wakhe njengenkwenkwezi eqaqanjiswe ngumsebenzi wayo ophuma izandla ukunceda abantu abaphila nomhlaza. uNtsiki Noyiya uncokolene nelinenekazi nanjengoko eli libhiyoza linyanga yamanina.
Lo makhwekhwethe kubongikazi uvuka ngonyezi rhoqo aphathelele ukuya kuxelengela inyama kwicandelo lomhlaza eliphantsi kwesibhedlele iNelson Mandela Academic. Engqondweni yakhe ayiko kukhongozela intlawulo kuphela kwenyanga nje kuphela koko kunkenteza izigulane ezibhinqileyo ingakumbi kule nyanga yabasetyhini nethetha lukhulu kuye. OkaMajova uSjulie Jacu iminyaka eliqela elumkisa efundisa futhi enceda abantu abachaphazeleke ngumhlaza.
Uphawu lokuqala lelokuba ibele lakho ulibone lineqhuma noba lincinci kangakanani neloqhuma kusenokwenzeka uba likuxelela uba une-cancer. Elibele ulibone likhula kakhulu kunelinye ibele ngoba lenziwa lelaqhuma liphanga phakathi. Usenokulibona ibele lakho linengono ekhulayo esibiza ngoba ise protruding nipple is okanye itshone retracting nipple ngoba iqhuma liyayitsala ibheke ngasemva. Usenokubona isikhumba sakho sithofo okwamaxole orange ngenxa yento yokuba kutheni kukho icancer kulo. Usenokubona kuphuma i-discharge ebeleni enokuthi xa iyoxilongwa ifumaniseke une-cancer. Nazo ke ezinye zeempawu ze-cancer yebele.
Sikwiziko lokuqeqesha abongikazi iLilita kwisibhedlele iMthatha General ukuze ngqubanisa intloko noGqirha Ayanda Shete azawukha sichubele ngamava akhe okudibana nomama uMajova emva kuba ifunyaniswe enomhlaza webele.
October iNelson Mandela isibhedlele siba neprogram yokuya kwi-mammogram e-free. So ndaya nam qi icancer ebeleni. Umama Jova sifunda kunye siphangela kunye usispecialist kwa-oncology yena uyifundela icancer. Ndaziva uba akho nto endiyaziyo ndamfowunela wandicacisela wandifundisa ngecancer. Kwatsho kwathi qwenge wathi kum uyabona ke mhlobam nawe kudala ubabona abantu abanecancer awuzufa.
Umphathi kaMajova umtyibele njengengqwayi-ngqwayi ekwaziyo ukujika amatye abezizonka kuba isilwa nesirhalarhume esingumhlaza.
Ungulaa mntu ongenayo kuyipatient yakhe. Nguye lo oza kuyibona ipatient isafika athi sogqiba ahlale naye ecaleni ayi-identify into yoba le ipatient ifuna eyiphi i-care.
Isiquququ uThembeka Majova uthi usazawuqhubeleka engumbele owehlisayo ukwenyisa imbokodo noluntu ngokubanzi ngeempawu zomhlaza nokokuba sele isidla umhlala phantsi. Kwiindaba zethu kuChannel 163 oziphathelwa Newsroom Africa, ndinguntsiki Noyiya eMthatha.
Ingaba ungumbhali osakhasayo ofuna ukupapasha incwadi yakhe namhlanje lufikile uncedo njengoko sihleli noMarcia Ramodike noneminyaka engama-27 uye waqala inkampani nalapha anceda ababhali ukuba bapapashe incwadi zabo nezikwinqanaba lokuthengwa ngabathengi. Marcia, masibulele sikwamkele.
Sawona sisinjani?
Ndiyaphila Nkosi. Intoni yakwenza into yobana ngaba uqale ishishini lokupapasha incwadi?
Okay, kudala like when I was very young, bengifuna ukupapasa incwadi yami, but then I struggled kakhulu. Ngaqala ukufunda incwadi I think bengino 13 by that time. And then bengifuna ukuyipapasa, but then ngingatholi usizo ngaphandle. So ngama, and then I always had a dream ukuthi one day ngizoba nencwadi yami engiyibhalileyo, because bengithanda ukufunda, ngithanda ukubhala like all the time. So mangina 19, I think, ngathola i-opportunity ukuthi ngihambe ngithole i-publisher, and then wangipublishela incwadi. So and then after that time ngathi uyenze kanjani incwadi yami lo muntu lo. So ngaqala ngenza i-research, and then I was on TV, I was on radio back in the day before COVID. So after COVID I realized ukuthi abantu bangibuza ukuthi how Masha uyenze kanjani le ncwadi le, how did you become an author? So ngathi because abantu bangibuza all the time ukuthi how did I become an author, ngathi ithi ngiqale i-company yami ngwazi ukuthi ngizosiza abantu kahle ngokubhala and then ngokupublisha as well.
Marcia, sewupapashe incwadi ezingapha kwama-30 yencwadi zonke. Wow. Intoni oyenzayo uqinisekisa into yobana ngaba incwadi yomuntu ikulungele ukupapashwa yaye ingafundwa luluntu loMzantsi Afrika?
When I was still reading books when I was very young, I realized ukuthi ama-publishing company akunika i-criteria ukuthi ufanele umeet this kind of requirements ukuthi upublishe incwadi yakho. So mina mawufika kimi, there's a ghost writing option la sokubhalela khona incwadi for abantu abanganaso isikhathi, abantu ababusy, and then if maybe unayo i-idea ekhanda kodwa ukwazi ukuthi uyibhale kahle, so uza kithi and then Evelyn 50 Publishing Company, and then siyakusiza ukuthi uyibhale kanjani, sikusiza ngama-ideas ukuthi sireache 100 pages, maybe you have like 3 pages, sikangwazi ukuthi sikusize ukuthi uyibhale ufike ku-100. It's not about ukuthi fanele ukuthi wena uyazi ukuthi ukubhala kahle. We have professional writers abasiza abantu ecompany yami ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakubhalele incwadi kahle, as long as wena une story esikahle ezothengisa out there, or maybe sizoshintsha impilo yomuntu omunye, then you can come to us and sizokusiza. We don't have those things ukuthi you must have this, you must have that. The only idea ukuthi to make my own company ukuthi ibe unique, I came up with the thing ukuthi for me to help other people, you need to come up with something strategically ukuthi usiza abantu. So mina mawufika kimi, only the ideas, we only take good ideas and good stories that will change other people's lives. We don't look at how you can write, because thina siyakwazi ukubhala kahle, so sokubhalela then sipapatisa for wena.
Marcia, kwincwadi zakho esingabalula kuzo A Freed Soul nencwadi yonomngqusho nethi Bullies, ingaba mhlambi ngobani ababhali bezincwadi yaye kutheni funeka abantu boMzantsi Afrika bezithengile bazifunde?
iBullies ibhale uNosipho Ncube. She's a nurse, bakafuna ukuthi asize abantu out there, abantwana out there, because she's a nurse. Uyabona ukuthi abantwana bayastruggleisha bafika esibhedlela. So athi because of bullying, angithi bullying abantu abayithatha serious. So mabafika esibhedlela they have mental issues, but some of them bafuna ukuthi bazibulale abantwana. So wabhala incwadi iBullies ukuthi abantwana mabane problem bangayikhiphi ngaphakathi, bahambe lapha out there and then batshela umzali, batshela uthisha, batshela wonke umuntu ukuthi I'm being bullied, so that bathole usizo. A Freed Soul yabhala uPhakama Ntete wase Mount Ferrer, Eastern Cape. Wabhala because bakafuna ukuthi in order to be successful in life, you must have a free soul. You must be free for yourself from trauma, from mother to child traumas and everything out there. So usiza abantu ukuthi it's a self-healing book ukuthi uzosiza abantu ukuthi in order for you to succeed in life, you must heal whatever that happened to you in the past in order for you to move on in future and be a better person.
Mashiya, phambi kokuba sikhulule sisi amazwi akho okugqibela kubabhali bencwadi nabasacingayo mhlawumbe ukubhala incwadi nabasafunayo ukupapashelwa incwadi zabo ngathini kubo?
Ngingathi kube ukuthi there is no right time for ukuthi start ukuthi hayi namhlanje ngiready sengizobhala. The right time will never come and the right story will never come. So by this moment when we have the opportunities they can just contact us on our social medias and then we'll help them. And then whatever that you dream that you have ukuthi uzobhala, whether abantu ba believe ukuthi South Africa asifundi. So abafuna ukubhala because asifund. But if sizobhala every day, if siyabhala every day, then we can change that narrative and then literature yethu izokhula sifunde because abantu bethu bazobhala, abantwana bethu bazobhala, and then the more sibhala, the more abantu bethu basupport us funda. So that is the way for us to go forward nge-literature yethu, our literature journey.
Mashiya, enkosi kakhulu sisi.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Okay.
Masibaleke siyosela amanzi.
Okay.
Enkosi kakhulu ke Madikela noNcuthi kuDesika indaba ndiyakubulisa nawe mbukelo wekhaya ndikwamkele bethuna kwelam kaloku iqonge elikhulu leMozulu mna igama lam kuThabile Makhaphela ndinziwakazi yabathembu nansi imozulu sizavula ke mbukelo ekhaya ngokuqhubeka ngokubanzi kaloku iziganeko zamva nje apha eMzantsi Afrika ukubhudla komoya ukutshisa kwelanga nemvula nje mbukelo xhapha kakhulu futhi phakho lapho lonke nje laphaya eNtshona Koloni imbimeko phaya eBeaufort West ekseni bevuka ngo8 degrees kanti bayayisonga imini futhi kamafu njengephi mbukelo wami ngo24 degrees amaqondo wakho bukelwa maphansi naphezulu sivule phaya iphondo loqaqo lophako Burgersdorp eMpuma Koloni kubanda kakhulu phaya ngo-1 ekseni xabaqaba ngamafu xa besonga imini yabo futhi ngo22 degrees kuyabanda ekseni phaya eMthatha ngo7 degrees nansi kaloku imozulu apha kumbindi eMzantsi Afrika mbukela iphondo lethu liphaka lokhu lona eFree State njengaphaya koFreeksburg ihlasekuseli futhi bevuswa sisithandathu likhona bukelelanga lihlabe kamanje yonke imini yakhona ngo22 degrees nansi ke bathini imozulu phaya ephondweni laseNtshona Koloni ngomso njengaphaya Oudtshoorn bevuswa phaya ngo6 degrees akhona mafu nengqele yasebusika phaya ngo25 degrees phaya eGeorge bukela kuyabanda futhi ngo10 nansi kaloku imozulu phaya ephondweni futhi laseNorthern Cape ngomso njengaphaya koAppington kuyabanda ekseni bevuswa sisine baqhube nosuku belisonga ngelanga ngamashumi nje azakhatshwe sisithandathu mbukelo wamekhaya ithi kaloku imozulu phaya ephondweni laseNorth West ngomso njengaphaya kumazantsi weliphondo Moruleng neziphaluka phaya bevuswa sisithathu kanti bayayisonga imini ngelanga phaya liqobe kamandi nje phaya ngo28 degrees kuyabanda eBloemhof ngo3 nansi kaloku imozulu bukela apha eGauteng bethuna njengapha koTshwane ngo7 degrees ekseni baqhube nemini livelela ngapha ngorhatya ngo28 degrees Bonkenspruit kuyabanda ekseni futhi ngo7 nansi kaloku imozulu pha kumantla ke apha eMzantsi Afrika elophondo liphaka lokhu lona eLimpopo phalaburwa pha kuhle kwasekuseni nje bevuka kumnandi phaya ngo14 degrees liyaphumla futhi nenqathini phaya ngamashumi-3 mbukeli akhatshwe sisine kanti ephondo laseLimpopo kodwa phaya empumalanga ngomso njengaphaya eMalahleni bevuka kamandi phaya ngelashumi bayaqukuka kamandi futhi imozulu yabo kuyabande emelo phaya ekseni futhi ngo10 degrees phaya ebusuku ku27 xa sivala sisonga imozulu kwelami iqonga bethu lapha kwaZulu Natal ngomso njengaphaya eLadysmith nendawo ezikufuphi phaya futhi ngelashumi ekseni kuyatshisa kakhulu phaya emva kwemini ngo30 degrees inhle nje yonke lameko isho kimeko kwapha kudesa imozulu mna ndithatha kangaka xesha limyonke
Ngafumana lamanqaku namanye kwiqonga lethu le-YouTube @indabazethu163 kamnandi mawethu.